So here I am digging into the X-Maxx. For some reason, after I paired it with a new 4-channel Traxxas transmitter, it wasn't working. Everything else was working but the steering. And right now this is physically warm. There was no crashing, there was no nothing. But plugging it in, it got warm just by plugging it in. So I guess I'm going to open it up and see what we got. This is the first time I'm opening up this servo. I did replace the old one and take apart the old servo, so let's see what we got here. I don't know what to expect. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to. I think I need to take off the 4 on the back as well. I think that's, or 6 on the back. Okay. I know these are really long. I'm going to go with a slightly larger. It seems like that's skipping a little bit. So I don't know what I'm going to find here. This is essentially, you're seeing what I'm seeing as I'm seeing it. So, okay, the middle screws are smaller for some reason, which means they're probably not holding the thing together. There's a little scratch on this outside, which I'm not sure how that would have happened. When I turned on the X-Maxx, let's see. Okay, well, I'm not seeing any issues with these gears. I don't see a skip tooth or anything there. Like I said, it was doing nothing. It wasn't even like a sound. Looks like they used some. Everything looks like it's in good working order on that end. So my thought is, could it be the board? Because there's got to be some kind of electronic board in here. And a tiny little motor. Huh. So, I don't know if anyone's familiar with this, but this is new by me. I'm assuming oops. Okay. So look at that. There's pins falling out. Make sure that doesn't fall apart. So there's 2 smaller screws which appear to be holding in this motor. I don't know if there's a replacement. I would think there would be a replacement for the motor, or at least a way to replace the motor. Unfortunately, it would require some soldering. Looks like there's some kind of jumper or something going on here. There's these two tiny little screws. I already got the one out. And they're teeny tiny. It's like working with the SCX24. Little. Don't want to lose that. Pretty sure. Let's see, does that back out at all? I don't know. That doesn't turn at all. Let me see if I put this down in here. Okay, I guess it's, oops. Was that just dirt? Yeah, that was just dirt. It looked like I wasn't sure if there was something going on with that. So I'm going to see if I can turn that at all. Okay, well it moved, so it's telling me it's not like a is that moving the, yep, it's moving it. Trying to give you guys a good view of this well, which it's really not easy to see this, but that's definitely moving, so okay, so this whole okay, so this whole thing will slide out. Okay, so the heat sink on this, there's gaskets and all sorts. So this right now, the motor's staying in place, but this board and whatnot is sliding out, but the motor, I don't know. Can't get a grip on it like that. Okay, so that spindle up top is literally nothing. Oh, there we go. I just needed to push that a little bit. motor's starting to slide out. But can't seem to get this out. What do we got here? What do we got here? It's definitely something's holding it in place. I can't see what it is. Some resistors down there or something. So I guess that is what's attached to here. I can see something's plugged in there. Problem that I'm having here. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. This could slide down, but these wires are too short. So either I have to disconnect these wires and pull it out, or see if this can disconnect. I don't know. I'm thoroughly stumped, which is pretty common, to be honest. So that board is attached to something on the underside of this, and the only way to get that out is to separate these wires. And right now I'm not prepared to dive in that far. If anyone's done this before, hey, let me know, please. I'm baffled. All the gears look good. My thought is this motor burnt out. Or the board went, but sometimes you can actually smell like burnt electronics when that happens, and right now it's not evident. Doesn't mean it didn't happen, but I'm baffled. So I got this far, and that's all I've got, folks. I wish I had more. I don't know. Kind of sucks, but now is that okay? Well, pull up this cap, and I'm not sure if it's moisture in there or what. So that's completely possible. And that's really, really weird, because I don't take my truck in a lot of water. It's never been submerged. I don't drive it through huge mud puddles on any kind of, I'm not rough on it. I'm just not. I'm not saying it hasn't ever gotten wet, because it has, taken it on the snow a couple times, but it wasn't even a lot of snow. It was a little bit of snow on the grass and on the driveway. After having to clean it all up, I was like, that's not really worth it, so I didn't bother getting back into that. But all right, man. That's what I got. So if there's anything anyone can help me with, I'd appreciate that very much. Comment, like, hate it. Hey, whatever you want to do, do it. But if you can help me, that's awesome. So thanks a lot.